Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code in CSS. So, first, let's start by making a new folder in Assets, CSS, and let's call it styles.css. Now let's link our CSS to our HTML, so it knows where to get the styles from. Link rel style sheet and href assets, that's more like it, css styles.css. By the way guys, I've just forgot to cover something in the last video, that you can make an A tag. An A tag is anchor, so when you click it, it'll redirect you to another website. href. Let's go to my website. Click me. Let's say, and here there should be a click me, and in fact it takes you. So let's start using our CSS. Let's start with classes. So let's say h5 h2 class equals so what should we call it? We can call it text. I'm not original in this moment. This is my style text. So the classes you must write with a dot, have a start. Dot text, open parentheses, let's say color, hashtag, let's make a red, like ff, no wait, let's make 6666600. This will give us a sort of yellow color. Here's a preview. Let's do 66000. This will be red. A very dark red. There. Let's actually do AA0. That's almost pure red. Pure red. If you want to go to pure red, we go all the way up. FF0000. Let's save our CSS. Let's save our HTML. And here it is. This is my styled text. And it's red. We can even change our anchor. Like, let's make it so that when we hover over our anchor, it's going to become another color. So let's basically customize the colors of our anchor. Color, let's say 00 EE00. This will give us a green. Click me. It looks pretty ugly, so I'm actually gonna pick the color. Let's get this color. Now let's do hover. So this means that when we hover over the A, it's going to do something else. So let's go to color. Let's change your color again. Hashtag. Oops. Hashtag 998877. I don't know what that is. Okay, it gives us a bright color. Oh, what is this? There. So when we hover over it, it does that. Now, text underline. Let's remove the text and decoration. is called none, which is basically that underline thing that you saw here. See, now it's gone. Now let's like do something here. Let's add a transition. Transition linear. Okay. Linear, and we need to specify how many seconds it takes. 1 second. There. You can see that transition that it makes. Let's actually make it so that we hover over it. When we hover over it, text size, which is how big it is, 30px. So when we hover over it, it should become. Oh wait, this is font size. Here start the errors of the coding. So when we hover over it, it should become big. Oh dear, this is stupid. And oh dear, what have I made here? It's actually not that bad. But okay, let's give it a padding. Background color maybe should be better. Hashtag. Let's say DD 00 88. So this will give us a fuchsia color. Okay. Let's actually not make it this. Looks bad. Let's make it blue. That's more like it. It looks kind of 1980s. Because we don't have a padding, so let's add a padding of 10 pixels. And let's add a border radius, which is to make it like circled a bit, 10 pixels. To not make it a perfect square, to cut off the corners. Look at that. So, we can actually add a font to it. Let's go to fonts.google.com. Roboto. I always use Roboto everywhere. Oh wait, I think I have it. Okay, so let's import our Roboto font. It should be on my desktop. Roboto regular. Assets. Let's make our new font section. So let's Roboto regular. We can make an font face. This font family is Roboto. Source URL. // is back a directory font. Roboto regular. So now we can assign it. Let's actually modify a bit of the body. So let's go to body. Font family. Roboto. Let's make it background color hashtag 0f0f0f color hashtag FFF. Let's try. And that looks much better. Two critical things to do when you're like making a website is change your font and change your background color to black. This will make it remove all the 1980s stuff. So what we can do here is let's try to make this less, 0.2 seconds. It's quicker. Let's see what we can do. We can assign classes. So let's say IDs. We've done classes. ID equals, just for proof that you can call it what you want, I'm gonna call this now. ID start with a pound at the start. So hashtag. So let's make it color. Let's try to make it. Oh, you can't. You can't make it a gradient. Okay. Hashtag S. No. That doesn't want to exist. AZ000988. Tiny text. We have just customized that. Also, I forgot to mention a few things in the last video. We can add GIFs to our HTML. So, I've just downloaded this Rickroll GIF. So let's go to Assets. Let's make a new folder called Images. Oh, we've already made it. Oh yeah. Rickroll.gif. So let's call it image source equals Rickroll. No. src assets images Rickroll. So that will add a Rickroll to our website. Okay. So this should be it. We've stylized a bit of stuff. Added a few things. If you liked the video, leave a like. Share it with a friend. If you have any questions, join our Discord server. Create a ticket or comment down below. Subscribe if you found it useful. And I'll see you.